Minis are all about character and handling, but have you ever wondered what happens when a car trades charm for chaos? Meet the Focus RS. Sold in the US from 2016 to 2018, the RS was Ford's answer to rally fans, track rats, and anyone who wanted their daily driver to feel like a stage car from WRC. It's loud, aggressive, and a little unhinged, in a way that's totally addicting. Here are 5 things you probably didn't know about the Focus RS. Did you know the Focus RS was the first production car to come with a built-in drift mode? Ford engineered the RS with a torque vectoring all-wheel drive system that could send up to 70% of the power to the rear wheels. And drift mode let you hang it out sideways with way more control than you'd expect from a hot hatch. It was controversial, fun, and made every roundabout feel like a rally stage. Did you know the RS shared its 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine with the Mustang? But this wasn't a straight-up swap. Ford added a bigger turbo, a beefier intercooler, a new exhaust system, and stronger internals, boosting output to 350 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. That's nearly double what a Cooper S was making at the time, and it only came with a 6-speed manual. Did you know the Focus RS came with serious hardware underneath? We're talking massive Brembo brakes, dual-path cooling for track use, and a 2-mode suspension system with electronically controlled dampers. This wasn't just a warmed-up hatch. It was purpose-built for real abuse. Did you know the Focus RS was designed by Ford's European Performance Division and built in Germany? It may wear a Ford badge, but this thing had Euro DNA all over it. Precise, punchy, and tuned for tight roads. Kind of like a Mini, just more angry. Did you know Ford only sold the Focus RS in the US for 3 model years, and then pulled the plug entirely? Plans for a new RS were scrapped due to emissions and cost concerns. So if you see one on the road today, you're looking at one of the most hardcore hot hatches we'll probably ever get from Ford. The Focus RS wasn't trying to be refined, it was built to rip. And while it's a very different flavor than a Mini, it's proof that hot hatches come in all personalities, from cheeky and nimble to full-blown rally weapons. If you're a Mini fan who appreciates performance with personality, the Focus RS is one worth remembering. Hit like if you love hot hatch history, and subscribe for more enthusiast-approved underdogs every week.